Whenever we talk about IP addresses, it consists of two parts. One is your network part, one is your host part. If we are going to compare it with phone number, in India, when we talk about any phone number, it has got two part. Especially we are talking about the landline. It has got two part. One is called city code, and other part is called phone number. And please remember, for a particular city, the city code is same way. When we are talking about the IP addresses, it contains two part. To understand this, we are going to take the example of one address 172.24.1.10. First of all, we have to find this whether this is valid address or not. Since this falls between this range 0.0.0 and 255, that means this is valid address. Now when we are talking about this address, it has got two part. One is going to be the network part, other is going to be the host part. Now how we will find out which portion is your network part and which portion is your host part? To understand this, or to find which parts is network number or host number, that will be decided by another parameter called subnet mask. Now subnet mask could be of many type, but mostly it will be 255.255.0 or 255.255.0.0 and 255.0.0.0, and this is going to decide. So if your mask is going to be 3 times 255, mean that mean your network portion is going to be 172.24.1. That mean 3 times 255 mean first three octets belongs to your network, and this fourth belongs to your host portion. And if your mask is 2 times 255, mean these two octets, they are your network number and this is your host number. And if it is 1 times 255, mean one is your network portion and another three are your host portion. And we have depicted this by this diagram. That means your network portion could be this and your host portion could be this. Or in the case of second case, your network portion could be these two octet could be your network part and this could be your host part. And in the third case, these three octets represent your network, where we are denoting the network with N, and this is your host. And sometimes we call this as A class addresses also, when we have got one octet, first octet for your network number. And if we have got two octets for your network, this is called B class. And if it is three octets, then it is C class. We will be going into the details of this. And if we are going to further want to deduct, so let us again take the example of this address 172.24.0.1 Now if we are going to take the subnet mask 3 times 255, mean your first three octets, they are going to represent the network number. But we generally do not write the network number as this 172.24.1. We write 10 behind that also. And what will be the host portion? This is going to be your host portion. And if the mask is 355 3 times 255, generally we can name it as a C class address. And what about this? If address is this and we have taken the mask 255.255.0.0, that means this is going to be your network number and this is going to be your host number. And according to the mask, it should belong to the B class address. But later on video we will be seeing the definition of A class, B class and C class is a little bit different. So in the third case, if we are going to again take that address 172.24.1.10, and if it is mask is going to be 1 times 255, then what will be the network number? This is going to be a network number. And what will be the your host number? This is going to be your host number. and generally we do not write network numbers as this, we place 0 behind that. And this also 172.24 we are going to write it as 172.24.0.0, and this we are going to write as 172.0.0.0. So that means our network, our IP addresses, they consist of two parts: network ID or network number, and second is host part, and that is decided by your subnet mask.